What's going on, YouTube? It's What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe from Big Sky Model Workshop. Only this isn't all stuff that's bought. I recently won Tiffany's 1,000 subscriber giveaway over at Dirt Road Cinderella. So she sent me a couple kits in the mail. First one being a GMC Astro, which I know it's not exactly the same, but I'm thinking it's gonna look kind of like Optimus Prime when I'm done. Also got this awesome 66 Nova that everybody loves, that I've actually never built one of these, so kind of really glad to have that. We got a couple stickers and one of her awesome shop cards. So if y'all aren't subscribed to her, we have about the same amount of subscribers, so we probably share a whole lot, but if you're not subscribed to her, go check her out. She does some awesome work over there. The one thing I did buy for a future project off of eBay, some Jurassic Park decals. So I'm gonna build me a Jurassic Park Jeep. So that's pretty much all I got for you. I haven't had much time to get anything done. I'm almost done with the Fast 5 Porsche build, but it's not quite. I just got to get the wheels fitted since I got them here. You can see the Tamiya wheels versus Aoshima wheels, so I just got to get the offset corrected and get those on there, but the rest of the car's done. So hopefully you'll get an update on that soon. So thanks for watching. Thank you, Tiffany. Thanks, Joe, for putting this on, and we'll catch you on the next video.